Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jensen, and I've been an environmental specialist with Sarasota County since January of 2016. I am pleased to present a brief description of the Alligator Creek Habitat Restoration Project that I have had the opportunity to be a part of.
Art, can you lift the
Yes.
closer to you? Thank you.
Okay, so among the sites I steward is Alligator Creek Conservation Area. This is a 340-acre county-owned property that includes conservation land as well as public use park facilities. This conservation area was acquired in 1992. Alligator Creek is a major watershed contributing to the Lemon Bay, one of Florida's 41 aquatic preserves, and is an outstanding Florida waterway located in Venice, Florida. As this aerial demonstrates, it's a complicated ecosystem for the county, and as such, it can be a challenge to make large-scale progress on. 2018 is presenting us with an interesting combination of issues for the site, which typically would be resolved individually. We have a new housing development located south of the parklands that is in its pre-construction phase, and they need to install a sewer main through a portion of Woodmere Park. We have collapsing culverts and erosion problems along the creek. We also have washed out portions of the trail in need of repair, and we have nuisance exotic species proliferation throughout the entire corridor. With some mitigation funding being secured from the housing development for the force main, we began looking into how we could utilize it for the greatest ecological benefits possible. With a new team of staff interested in making something great happen, we have begun the process of working across county departments and state agencies, as well as non-governmental organizations, working with county parks and recreation, natural areas, parks, preserves, and trails, with staff from planning, public utilities, and the Stormwater Nest program, as well as the Florida Department of Transportation, Charlotte Harbor National Estuary Program, Moat Marine, and the Southwest Florida Water Management District. We have combined these series of site needs into a single Alligator Creek Habitat Restoration Project. The shared major goals for this project are creek restoration, natural long-term creek bank stabilization, improved fish habitat, improved water quality, trail reconstruction, and exotic vegetation removal. Here is an example of the proposed creek restoration for the section west of Jacaranda Boulevard. Starting with the removal of exotic vegetation along the existing trail, we will be able to shift the trail, which will allow us to regrade the bank to a 3-to-1 slope. Shade trees and native vegetation will be installed along the trail and creek bank. The slope will be stabilized with native aquatic and terrestrial vegetation. And this is an example of the restoration for the east side of Jacaranda, which has the potential to realize the greatest ecological improvements. Because there is not an existing trail there already, we will have the opportunity to reshape the creek's course and slope. Using innovative natural creek restoration techniques, we will decrease erosion potential, provide quality fish habitat, reduce nitrogen and suspended sediments while improving overall water quality. I'm excited about this. Because of our team's vision to leverage 3 potentially small projects along with the funding that would have been used, a significant project has been created. This will have a positive impact on not only 340 acres of county parklands and several miles of multi-use trails, but also the communities that surround it, and ultimately Lemon Bay. Most significantly, we will return a simple drainage canal into a dynamic, healthy waterway. This project is just beginning. Because of our team's vision to leverage this project is just beginning. We have secured funding from the developer and from the Southwest Florida Water Management District. We have funding requests into NOAA, and we will be presenting a project to FWC's Upland Invasive Plant Management Program to obtain additional funding for exotic vegetation removal. I am confident that this team, with the energy and excitement we've developed, we will be successful. I look forward to speaking to the summit again in the future with some fantastic progress to report. Thank you.